Hello friends, we are going to have a discuss on the topic city versus village. Which one is better, city or village? So my opinion is village life is better. So what's your opinion?
Since my opinion is city is more than better than village because there are so many facilities we saw in cities that was not available in village.
But in village also all facilities available in this time.
And now in this time, village has so many facilities, but more compared than city, they are not that type of thing we need in a city that can not available in village.
Okay, you can prove.
So like just so many industries, school, colleges, universities that are not available in village.
Also in village many schools and colleges available.
Yeah, I know, we know about it. There are so many school colleges, but still the more compared than city, there are not opportunities to like colleges, industries, or universities.
Yes, you are saying right. In village, not available many types of opportunity, but many people become IAS officer in study village.
Yeah, that was your opinion about it. But more than student go from city or another countries or state to prepare so my examination or prepare their work to complete their to do their business for they will go on city.
In village, whose people are living there, they also doing job on.
Yeah, they are doing, but they want to go city to complete their job or studies or something.
Some people go outside in village city.
There are lots of people they were going a city or another place, but still there are lots of opportunity to go and do their job and something.
Yes, but in village, many types of doing their work as like they do own job and they earn money lot.
That's it. The village, you say the village. We are the people you saw in village. They are farming and doing another thing, their own business. But still more compared than a city. There are lots of businesses we do in city that can't not do in village.
Okay, so why are you think village life is not good?
I don't say village life is not good, but as compared than city, that was not perfect.
Yes, in city life, more opportunities, facilities available, but village is not. Uh, you can't say village is not good.
I can't say about this कि village is not good, but still more compared than cities has available more than things that are not available in village.
Also available, everything is in village.
You can prove it.
Why not? In village, many colleges and school available, and many hospital available, and many as like many facility available.
When you
Available.
think just hospital about it, when you need some patient need a ventilator, when you go to city and purchase it, the village has not more than things that available in village.
But you know, in city life, there is everything is costly.
Yeah, costly because of we need it, so we earn more money than we gave.
But all people don't survive their life.
In city,
Yes.
it's your opinion. There are lots of people you can see there, many people go there and complete. Also me, I'm not from here, I'm from Lucknow and I complete my studies from there. There are so many school colleges are available in there, but but my parents want to, I want to go somewhere and prepare. My brother also, he was in Delhi, he prepared her examinations or crack UPSC exam, and I also prepare for NDA from Lucknow.
Okay, it's your choice. But many people prepare their study in village.
Yeah, also their peoples are complete there, but you have to take a great opportunities in studies and on anything when you go from a city to complete your just you want.
Then I complete our study in village. So why I'm go in city?
They are not something available in village, then why you complete your
How can you say that in village life is not good and there is not available everything
I
as
can
like a study?
I can say it because there's something you need you can't saw there in village.
But I have seen in village there is everything available.
Yes, you are right, but still you need whenever you go village and you can go to some shop and you can say please give me bread, they give you their type of one bread. Whenever I go to city and say uncle you give me bread, there are lots of companies of bread available on the bread city. They are the pura whole market of the bread in one store. Then why you say more compare than village or city?
No, 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 you can't say, because in this time every shopkeeper take every types of things.
That's it's your opinion, not about it that we go to cities and they are you think in this place you saw the company, you say the uncle you give me a milk like mother dairy or something. Whenever you go city and say the shopkeeper, but there are lots of companies Amul Doodh and something mother dairy and all lots of things are available in these cities.
Yes, but you know, in a village life, very peaceful life, and their environment is very good.
That's you are right, the environment of village are more better than city, but still you need more money in this time. The person leave without, they can't live without money.
Okay, you mean only need your money?
That is not my opinion. Money is all, money and peace and everything is always important, but still in this time the person who need more money, then he can go in city.
But in city life, there is many polluted cities.
Yeah, you say it right, that's Mumbai or Delhi, the environment are very bad, but still the you see the Mumbai, their places are very congested, just like they're small places. There are lots of money you can give them and then you buy the houses, they are crores, they are like in this place you saw this, they are the very costly place. In village you go and purchase the field or something, they are very higher range, not higher range, but still you go city, they are very rangeable.
But I have seen whose people live in city, they catch many disease because their environment is very polluted.
Then you secure yourself, then you check up properly, you go to hospital and take your what the problem about you and consist the doctor about it. Whenever
Yes.
you village you can saw they are the very uh, peaceful life you can say, but still when the people was dying for some reason, they can't go to secure themselves, they go to hospital and go to city.
No, no, no. Because in village life, in this time, many hospital available.
You are right sis, but still the hospitals are available, not the facilities the patient want.
All facilities available.
Not available in this time, the government hospital you saw and
You
you
know
go
why
there.
are you saying? Because you have no knowledge about village.
I have knowledge about it. I go to and also I so the some patients about it. They can say they're not of, you can whenever you sick, you are a patient of something, you are desire of some disease. You go, they say you go Lucknow or Delhi or somewhere. They can't live without it.